stuff happens, and sometimes it happens to Rosie. I got a flat tire, and unfortunately my Dodge ProMaster is not built to carry a spare tire, so I don't know what happened. Luckily, I'm darn close to Las Vegas. I've got help on the way. Monkey Boy's gonna give me a hand here. I'll figure stuff out, but yeah, you never know. I guess I put about 50,000 miles on this flipping tire, but you know, I guess I got every bit of juice I can get out of it. I'm well off the side of the road here on I-15. I don't know when I'll be catching up with you guys tonight. Luckily, I have roadside assistance. Yeah, good thing to have on the Geico policy. I'll give you guys a look at the tire here. I have one of these vans, they don't carry a spare. I guess it takes too much room. So they give you that like fix-a-flat goo that you pump in. But unfortunately, this goo had already been used on this. I guess they had a blowout or something before. So there was no goo to use in there. It is what it is. I'll give you a look at what we got up here. There it is. You can see that tire is flat as a flounder there. So whatever blew big time. Good news, I'm safe. I'm off the side of the road. I got my flashers on and everything, and help is on the way. Don't know when I'll catch up with you guys. I got to take this into a tire shop, and tomorrow I'll have them fit that up with a new tire there. So okay, that's the report from mile marker 15. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, and by the way, I don't need to beg for any money from you guys out here for taking care of my own van. It's called being a responsible traveler, a responsible van nomad. All of us prepare for days like today. So if you haven't, I'll toop on you. I'm Rosie's all set. No need. Don't feel sorry for me. I'm broken down.